Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode. Welcome back to your channel name, your go-to source for all things digital marketing and business growth. Here, we break down the world of digital marketing in simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. If you want to grow your business or career, stick around because we have some valuable insights for you. In just 3 minutes, I'm going to explain why digital marketing is a game changer in today's fast-paced world, and how you can leverage it to your advantage. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Digital marketing is a broad term that encompasses all marketing efforts that use an electronic device or the internet. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and their websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing allows for more precise targeting of specific audiences. You can track performance in real time and adjust your strategy instantly based on the data you collect. This flexibility is one of the key advantages of digital marketing. It's powerful, cost-effective, and accessible for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, digital marketing can help you reach your goals. In today's world, more than 5 billion people are online. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn are where your audience hangs out, searches for products, and makes decisions. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, a strong online presence isn't optional anymore, it's essential. Now let's talk strategy. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a solid strategy is crucial for success. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, understanding key strategies can make all the difference. 1. SEO, or search engine optimization. Optimize your website to rank on Google and attract organic traffic. This involves keyword research, on-page optimization, and building quality backlinks. It's a long-term strategy but can yield significant results. 2. Social media marketing. Engage with your audience on platforms they love. Create compelling content, interact with followers, and use analytics to refine your approach. Social media is a powerful tool for brand awareness and customer engagement. 3. Email marketing. Build relationships and drive conversions directly to their inbox. Personalize your emails, segment your audience, and track performance to improve your campaigns. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for ROI. 4. Content marketing. Create valuable blogs, videos, or infographics to establish trust. Consistently producing high-quality content can position you as an industry leader and drive organic traffic to your site. Remember, content is king. 5. Paid ads. Fast-track your reach with PPC campaigns on Google or Facebook. Paid ads can provide immediate visibility and drive targeted traffic to your site. Monitor your ad performance and adjust your strategy to maximize ROI. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard to start. Tools like Canva, Google Analytics, and social media schedulers make it super easy. So, whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or someone curious about the digital world, dive in now. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what part of digital marketing you want to learn more about. Until next time, keep hustling and keep growing.